Well, guys, I believe we're doing great. So I've been receiving a lot of messages asking how I got generate the 3D test effects I've been using on my design. I believe you guys are not really follow me, okay? Because before I consistently making use of this 3D behind the screen, I've already make a video with Whiskey called FX AI on how I normally use it to generate a test effect. Because I realized that the majority of us, our mobile phone are not really that kind of strong to use Photopea, why some people are getting it difficult. So upon many tutorials I put outside there, we're still finding it difficult to do that. So, and we all know that I always try at least to bring a design that are so simple to our doorstep so that we can actually practice it and do something on our own, making the work easier for our client as well. So today I'm going to retrace my emphasis on how you can use an AI to generate any kind of text effect. So take it for instance, let's go to our pin interest as a layman. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to search bar, then type 3D text effect. So we'll see varieties of it, okay? And this is here our choice matter. So take it for instance, I love there are many, right? You can see, right? There are many. So let's say I love this. Okay, so I will just save it. Okay, if it contains some of text that you didn't actually want there, you can crop it so that it will make a cool sound. And there are two ways I'm going to teach you here. Okay, I'm going to teach you how you can still remove those things yourself, even during the when the prompt has not even generated. So I have a text here, so we can still make use of this, making two, right? Because we are going to upload the rest. Upload everything at once. This one is customized, so I don't think we can actually, but we can still use it. Okay, so let's say we have. I'm still searching for more. Okay, this one is even cool. Let's say 2025. We can change that to 2026. And I love this. This will be the list. Okay, I still say one. So this one, you can see, right? So I love this as well. We can actually even crop this one out here. But I still prefer the conference there. So let's say live word conference. Okay, this one is now ready for use. So now that we have all the text for, so let's go to our photo. Okay, so when we get to our photo, we are going to just crop it. That's the sense of visiting this back. So we go to our pin in text. So we have the whole work here. So those that is having another text, we can actually crop them. Okay, so I'm going to crop this. So crop this. Okay, so I have this, right? So I will go here I'll crop it. So I don't really concern about the background because I will remove or retain it, depends on my choice. So after that, I will do the same thing to the last one. Okay, boom. So now everything is ready. If you don't have this, you can just visit your Play Store or Google and type FX or type Whisk AI. Okay, so if you are not using the app, let's say you want to use making use of the site, you can just come here, type WHI Whisk AI, and this is it. Tap on the first one, then you'll be able to land yourself. I want you to see the interface so that when I open the app, you can actually see that. So I don't want to be going through unnecessary steps by going to web. So I have the application, try Whisk. I will just tap it. Then you see it's the same feature. So it's just like a web. It's not an app, okay? It's just like a web app like that. So now I will click on upload all those images. So maximum you can upload like 10 images at once. So that is what I do if I actually want to work on 10 different things at the same time. So I will select 4 at the same time. Then you allow them to load. It will generate the prompt that made up each of those 3D test effect. And this here we are going to apply the professionalism by modifying it, changing it to what we want. So some text you might load faster. So you see this one. Let me start from the last one where we have our beast. So let me say beast. So let me say cool, or let me say cool, or party. Okay, party. So in large bold, this one is, or let me even add something. Okay. Let me say, I'm thinking of what to do. Let's say night, holy night. Okay, let's say holy night. Okay, so here I'm going to scroll down and be reading. So checking whether there's any area where so they describe everything based on the holy night. So I'll run it. So while this is running, I will visit the second one. This one is having live word conference. Okay, live word conference. So this is it here. So I will just have dirty. So let's say dirty December. Okay, that's what I want to put there. Dirty December conference. So I will scroll down. So I will still put dirty December. Okay, so I will scroll down. I will run this, making two, right? So I will go to the tax one where we have text. Okay, so I will just have the text will be let me say dream in 3D. So let's look at how it is. I will change this. You make sure where all those words appear, you are going to change them. Otherwise, okay, so let run it. So the last but not the least, then we'll go back and be checking show. So show here we can now have let me put party, dirty party. Let's see party. So do we have the main body, everything? I guess that's show. We have a party. I guess we don't have anything that needs to be modified. So now we run this. Okay, run it. So now we'll go back to the first one. So it must have changed. So let's see. You can see what I'm talking about. So when you look at the results now, we have two varieties of results. Okay, it's not as bold as this. Remember, we crop this. It's because we have the text longer than, but it actually serves us. So when you tap on this, this is it. This is cool, right? So you can save it. And there are two things there. When you see the two options, one might be better than another one. That's why I give two variation. So I normally save the two. So when I get out, I will check. Check the second one. See, we have the same result as well. Dirty December conference. So it actually serves us, and this is how I generate all the text effect I was using without stressing and be looking for smart objects or looking for or rasterizing mockup or stressing myself. So whenever I see mockup being used in a design, I just crop it. Then I will visit this place. Okay, then I will change the words. You can see this. So dream. So you can see, right? So we can actually use this for whatever things we want to use it, and it's totally absolutely free. So this is party. So you can see, even if this is not really joining, this one is already servers. So you can see, right? So thanks for watching, guys. So I believe now, if you are following me, you don't need to ask me again how I come up with all those text effects one after the other. So I normally do it this way, then I don't need to show it in the design as well, because the learning is a gradual process. I've already taught that ahead of the main design. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class.